what's happening? We back at it with another video. I don't know if I included the clips from last night in this video or not. Alright. Oh yeah, we good, we good. Gucci, we Gucci. Last night I went ahead and did some more data logs with Martin. He sent me another file. We went from 2,500 RPM up to 7,000 RPM. Sent those files over. Told me everything was looking good, so told me go ahead and take it up the rail line real quick. So that's what we're on the way to go do right now. But I might stick the data log in this car at night because it is hot as hell right now where I'm at. It's like 1 o'clock, already almost 95. He told me after this we're gonna go ahead and turn the boost up a little bit more. So I can't wait for that. I cannot wait. Really, I can't wait to get on E85. But hey, I'll take what I can get. You feel me? What them Twitch folk be saying, I can't lie, chat. It feels so good to just be in this thing cruising, bruh. It feel good as hell to be in this thing windows down, you know what I'm saying? I think we coming up close in our spot, so I'm about to go ahead and start it in a second. I'm gonna do 4 first. Start. 2,500 the rail line. Hey, that felt alright. Alright, I just bucked the U-turn. I'ma head back and try and do a 3rd gear pull too to send to him. 3rd gear to red line, or 2,500 red line. I missed this car. Oh shit, data log. Alright, let's get these to Martin. Let's get back to the crib, man. Damn.
2 weeks later.
We back at it, y'all. The boy Martin hit my phone back. He told me everything was looking good, so he was just trying to see what I thought, how everything was feeling so far. So taking the car out now, first time in like a week or two. It's been raining nonstop, 90 degrees, all that. So first time driving this Jane like a week or so. But about to just take this Jane out, cruise a little bit, see how she feeling, and then get back to Martin. After this, I think it's E85 time, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this, you know what I'm saying, squared away. She doing all right cruising so far, so. Oh yeah. She felt the eye right there. Yeah, she feel good. Damn dog, this car sounds so good, bro. I be forgetting. I forgot the data log that pulled too. Oh well, hold on, next one. Let's see what we can do. Start that joint. boy Martin hit me back with another revision. Throwing this on, then we back in the field. Almost dropped this bitch. Alright, wish me luck, y'all. Don't block my view, buddy. Damn, I missed this car. Every time I get in this car, I missed it. I can't even lie to y'all. Put that idle for like 10-15 seconds, we about to take off type shit. Oh fuck, what the fuck was that? Alright, we about to try this out, guys. Pray for me. Charger. First batch of E85 is in the car. Let's go ahead and switch this over to the E85 map. Map switching. E85. Map 2. Yep. Alright. First startup on 93. Oh shit. Alright. First startup on E85. I'm scared as shit. Oh shit!
3 days later.
Alright, we back. It's been a couple days since the last clip. Probably about like 3 or 4 days. Ever since I threw E in the car, bro, it's been raining on and off every day. So I've been dealing with that shit. But we already got the idle and cruising logs on E85 done and over with. All that squared away and handled. Now we just going through the motions of raising boost and whatnot. He sent me another file late last night, so now I'm about to take the car out, see what she do on that file, see what we do. I don't know how much boost it's set to. I think maybe like 12 pounds, 12, 13 pounds maybe. I'm not 100% sure. We're gonna see when we hit this bitch, but yeah, man. She feeling good so far. She been running good. I feel like the car like E more than 93, so I might just keep it on this for I ain't gonna hold you. Alright, we fucking up already so far. Pumps at the E85 station wasn't working. Did a hit. GoPro glitched out, didn't record it. But he just sent me another file. Martin just sent me another file, so we about to go do another hit. Hopefully I can film this one. On the first hit I ended up doing, the one that I didn't film, the car ended up hitting like 14 pounds, close to 15 pounds. I don't know if on this file he turned it up some more, or if he just fine tweaking 14 pounds some more, but we about to find out. That's the thing about Martin don't really like tell you too much about what he changed or anything. He just sent you the new file and he just expect you to send him a data log in return. It kind of just be a guessing game, but it's kind of fun. I kind of like playing it like that for real. Martin's a great tuner. He a great guy, so I trust him. As long as you got a good tuner, you know what I'm saying, everything should all work out. So, hey, and Martin we trust. See how much boost this hits. That was 15 pounds. Martin just sent over the last revision file for the car. We about to go ahead and take the car out, do a hit on max boost real quick, see how she do, see what she make. Hopefully it goes good. Hopefully everything goes well. We about to see what she do. From the last thing we was talking about, injector duty cycle's getting pretty close to being maxed out. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and ask him what's next to see like what we could do if I did want to make more power down the line. But after this, pretty much just enjoying the car, catching some runs, and just seeing what she do, changing some more shit. Just got me a little drink from my boy Big B up in here. You know what I'm saying? Martin hit me back. Told me he wanted me to mess with the base fuel pressure a little bit, so we went ahead and adjusted that a little bit, turned it up 2 or 3 psi. Now we about to see what we got on injector duty cycle. Pretty much at this point, we just messing around, seeing what these injectors will let us max this drain out at. We about to do this data log real quick, see what he talking about, and yeah, back in the field. You feel me? All right, let's do it. Shit was spinning. Alright, see if we can do something right here real quick. Bang! That's gonna be a wrap. We back at the crib. I got the daily in the garage right now. I was standing on the roof to change the light bulb in there. Yeah, man. Got the Z fully tuned on E85. Got it turned up to about 17 and a half pounds-ish on E85. So she boogie. You know, she do a little thing, do a couple dances and whatnot. We got a couple more things coming in the mail for her to get her fully dialed in and buttoned up. After that, it's just taking her out in the field, man. Getting some fun runs, getting some money runs. It's like, nah, maybe. But you know what I'm saying? All that's left now is taking her out in the field, getting some fun runs, testing her out, seeing what she do, and just, you know what I'm saying? Seeing what we can get ourselves into, man. That's it for me right now. Y'all be easy. Take care. Peace.